Hello everyone. Let's review what you learned in Unit 8. Just review vocabulary. Get the first picture, please. So what can you see here? A tsunami, a tornado, a storm in the ocean, and earthquake. An earthquake. What are they called? Yes, they are disasters. Good job. And the next picture. What are the people doing? They're cleaning the beach. What's happened? Yes, there's an oil spill. What is black you see on the beach? What, what is it? Do you know? Yeah, it's oil slick. Oil slick. Next picture. When we have problems, what do we need to find out? Yes, solutions or countermeasure. We need to have a countermeasure to deal with a problem. Next one, what's wrong with the train? Is a train accident, but what do you call it? Yes, it's a derailment. You see the rail here? Rail, derailment. The next picture, you see the car hit a long vehicle. What is it? A car hit a long vehicle, or maybe a motorbike hit a car. What are they called? What kind of accident is it? Vehicular accident, yes. Next one. This is a kind of substance. You see, this is oil, and this is the substance. This kind of substance is going to disperse the oil, you see. So what is this substance called? Yes, dispersion. Dispersions. Good job. And here the picture you can see two different living environments. The first one here in the ocean or lake, and this one on land. Can be two attitudes. That is why the two different environments. Yes, marine and terrestrial. Great job. As for what you learn in Unit 8, and these words are really important that you need to remember. Now let's move to a new unit, Unit 9, Land Reclamation and Restoration. First, let's go over the vocabulary. Everyone, you can listen and repeat after me so that you can remember meanings and how to pronounce these quite long and difficult words or phrases. Everyone, listen and repeat, please. Restoration, restoration, reclamation, reclamation, unspoiled territory, or you can say unspoiled territory, some problems, industrial sites, abandon, abandon, occupy, occupy, brownfield, ISCO stands for In situ chemical oxidation. It's a long one, so repeat. In situ chemical oxidation. Next one, ISCR, in situ chemical reduction. in situ chemical reduction, soil mixing, direct push drilling, or you can say direct push drilling, permeable, solvent, hydraulic fracturing. Say it again, hydraulic fracturing, injection mold, 2 minutes for you to read the words or phrases again, and we go on with task number 1. Okay, time's up, everyone. Let's move to task 1. Now just work on the first 3 sentences, please. So what does contaminants mean? Chất ô nhiễm. Yes. Mostly or not? Yes. On the surface? Trên bề mặt. Soil mixing? Chày đất. Yes. Deliver the oxidants. Đưa chất oxy hóa xuống đất. Yes. So how do you translate this one? Bởi vì các chất ô nhiễm hầu hết ở trên bề mặt, chúng tôi sử dụng cày đất để đưa chất oxy hóa xuống đất. Yes, that's the first one. How about number 2? What does once mean? Sau khi, yes. Removed? Loại bỏ. Brownfield? Yes, cánh đồng nâu. Residential? Khu dân cư, yes. Properly? Đúng nghĩa. Cũng được nha. How do you translate this one? Sau khi các chất ô nhiễm được loại bỏ, vùng đất nâu trở thành khu dân cư. Đúng nghĩa. Number 3. ISCO and ISCR are both used for the reclamation of contaminated land. ISCO, what does it mean? Yeah, kỹ thuật oxy hóa tại chỗ. And ISCR, kỹ thuật giảm hóa chất tại chỗ. Reclamation, what does it mean? Sự cải tạo. Contaminated land, đất bị ô nhiễm. So, how do you translate this one? Kỹ thuật oxy hóa tại chỗ và kỹ thuật giảm thiểu hóa chất tại chỗ được sử dụng để cải tạo đất bị ô nhiễm. Yeah, good job. These are the suggested answers. You can take a picture. What does company mean? Công ty, yes. How about go bankrupt? Yes, phá sản. Abandon, bỏ hoang. Yes. And how do you change this one? Sau khi công ty bị phá sản, tòa nhà bị hoang. Yes. Công ty tòa nhà công ty, it's okay. Number 5. What does industrial purposes mean? Mục đích công nghiệp. Around the turn of the century. Vào đầu thế kỷ này. So, how do you translate it? Phần lớn diện tích đất này được sử dụng cho mục đích công nghiệp vào đầu thế kỷ này. Okay. And number 6. Fuel production. What does it mean? Sản xuất nhiên liệu. So fuel production plant. What does it mean? Nhà máy sản xuất nhiên liệu. Yes. Were used to được sử dụng. Yes. Make gasoline. Sản xuất xăng. So how do you translate it? Các chất gây ô nhiễm xung quanh nhà máy nhiên liệu được sử dụng để sản xuất xăng. It's kind of strange, huh? Okay, that's it for our lesson today. There's some task maps. You translate into the notebooks, please. Goodbye.